વિન્ડ, પવન, ગ્રાસ, ઘાસ, સ્કાય, આકાશ, સન, સૂર્ય, નાઇટ, રાત. કવિતામાંથી રાઇમિંગ વર્ડ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાના છે. તો સન તો રન, ટ્રી તો બીઝ, ડે તો અવે, ટુ તો યુ. વિરોધી શબ્દને જોડકા જોડવાના છે. મોર્નિંગ તો ઇવનિંગ, અવેક તો અસ્લીપ, ડે તો નાઇટ, રાઇટ તો લેફ્ટ, અપ તો ડાઉન. કોષમાંથી શબ્દ પસંદ કરીને સાચો શબ્દ લખવાનો છે. ફેરી તો પરી, ચાઇલ્ડ તો બાળક, ગાર્ડનર તો માળી, ટુ ડ્રીમ તો સપના જોવું, સોંગ એટલે ગીત. પછી છે ટ્રુ ફોલ્સ. ધ મેજિક ગાર્ડન વોઝ ઇન અ સોસાયટી, ફોલ્સ. ધ સનશાઇન ડીડ નોટ ફોલ ઓન ધ ગાર્ડન, ફોલ્સ. ધ flowers danced and sang happily, true. The children were the gardeners, true. A poppy loved the dear little ones to the most, true. The child watered the flowers, true. The child did not dig and ground well, false. The children were kind to the birds, true. The flowers come out laughing and singing, false. The flowers also sang with the children, false. The sunflower smiled happily, false. The marigold smiled happily, true. The sunflower was tall, true. The magic garden had a fairies too, true. The fairies sang a sweet song which only the flowers could hear, false. The dresses of the fairies were made of flowers, true. The wings of the fairies were made of flowers, false. The magic garden was quiet at night, true. Question answer. What is the name of the school? The name of the school is Saraswati Vidyalaya. Where was the magic garden? The magic garden was in the school playground. Name 5 flowers: roses, sunflower, marigold, poppies, and pansies. Who were the little gardeners? The children from the school were the little gardeners. Why did the flowers love the little children? The flowers love the little gardeners because they watered them and dug the ground. Why did the birds love the little children? The birds love the little children because they were kind and breeds from them. Why did the flowers work hard? The flowers work hard to make their dresses pretty. What made the sun happy? Seeing the children running a boat in the garden, sunshine made the sun happy. Why did the flowers stop talking? The flowers was talking. What did the fairies do? The fairies dance and chant sweet songs. What were the fairies' dresses made of? The fairies' dresses were made of flowers. ફકરામાંથી શોધીને જવાબ લખવાનો છે. વોટ ઇઝ હાર્મફુલ ટુ અસ? પ્લાસ્ટિક ઇઝ હાર્મફુલ ટુ અસ. નેમ એની 3 plastic items every use: bags, cups and bottle. What can we use instead of plastic bag? We can use jute bags instead of the plastic bags. Why should we say no to plastic? We should say no to plastic because it is harmful to our planet. We should throw plastic waste here and there. True or false? False. ચિત્ર જોઈને પ્રશ્ન જવાબ આપવાના છે. How many chicks can you see? I can see 3 chicks. What is the color of the flower? The flowers are red. What is the sheep doing? Sheep is jumping up high. Who is the riding on the sheep? Rabbit is riding on the sheep. What do you like in this picture? I like the cute laughing rabbit in these pictures. Save water. Water is very important in our life. We use water for drinking, cooking, bathing and washing utensils and clothes. We cannot live without water. Even a plant, trees, birds and animals need water to live. We should not waste water. We should not leave tap open while washing hands or brushing our teeth. We should use a bucket instead of shower of bathing. We should save water of our future and save water, save earth. બ્લેન્ક્સ છે ગ્રામરની. વી મસ્ટ ફ્લાવર્સ ફોલો ધ ટ્રાફિક રૂલ્સ. ગાર્ડન વિશે છે. ટ્રીઝ વિશે છે. ટ્રીઝ પાર્ટ્સ નેમ છે.